Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Forces on a moving person can get sneaky, but this one is quick if you track who pushes, who resists, and why constant velocity matters.
Start with the interaction. The person pushes the crate, so the crate pushes back on the person in the opposite horizontal direction. That backward push must appear on the person's force diagram.
Because the person moves with constant velocity, the net force on the person is zero. So horizontal friction from the floor must balance that backward force from the crate exactly. Vertically, nothing accelerates either. So the floor's normal force upward balances the person's weight downward. That gives the only diagram with both directions consistent. Well done! Option B. Scan now. Trap, rushing signs. Rule, trust given motion and check force directions before choosing the diagram.